It was helping people get logged in.
It's always an adventure.
Absolutely. So
give them a quick overview of what we are about and our new dynamic, and give you a couple of minutes, and then I'll go into the next phase.
I was actually hearing your new dynamics as I was listening and your previous conversation there. But to add to that, yes, everybody, thank you for coming. We welcome you to the new platform. This is Athletes in Cannabis. We are no longer Cannabis Pitch Live specifically, as we have widened our platform to be Athletes in Cannabis. We are going to be featuring a new variety of things, including cooking with terpenes with Chef Nico. And also we will be bringing back our trade shows along with our cannabis pitch presentation portion of the program. When we go back city to city, our website is now eSportsInstruction.com. And we even have our future events posted for cities up to 2026, 3 shows a year starting 2022. That's our guess when COVID will allow us to begin our live presentations again. But until then, we hope you enjoy this platform. Just to give everybody a quick rundown of the platform, this is Hopin. Hopin allows us to have a main stage. We will be able to have specific things for sessions, networking, and expos with live booths. So at this point, I would hope that people would be able to take note to the order that was sent to you by Reggie. We will be calling on you after each presentation for the next presenter to jump into the backstage and give us a brief moment of your time to set up and then go to the next presenter. Remember, the goal here is to network with those that are here, build the Cannabis Foundation, and then on top of that, we will be making sure that the capital pitch raises for today will be brought to the attention of each and every person in our network, so that there's a good chance for you to show your company and what you're trying to do and how you grow your organization. On top of that, we're going to have a few speakers on and off today. I'd like to welcome Rico Taver, formerly of CannaGather, which most of you may or may not know. CannaGather is no longer. And Diane Yo, who is capital raise expert. And on top of that, we're going to have some other great presentations today on the capital side and some other speakers as well. If you can, please give me a moment and we will go back to Reggie. Reggie, is Rico in the backstage?
I've been kicking, turn my camera back on. Wanted to give you an opportunity to facilitate and do your thing. Okay, again, we are trying to empower people, to give them the opportunity to understand the dynamic of the process. Again, the companies today: Solar Acme with Trevor Polinsky, Pantry Brain, John McCulley, Cosmic Cowboy Extractions with Ron Theus, Oh Yes Shave with Tracy David, and Mike Curall with Jacques Neer and Elaine Richard. And they're out of New Jersey and across the country. So welcome everybody. And Chef Nico will be on with us too. Bob Uno, invest in a new company, will be his topic. So again, a great day. We'll keep it short and sweet, and it should be very informational as well as an opportunity to look at some new projects. So again, we thank you so very much. And again, we're announcing the top 40 most influential athletes in the cannabis industry, and that will be on our website kicking off here today. So that'll be live, and you have Mike Tyson, and we have a whole cross section of people that are the major athletes and influencers in the cannabis space. So with that said, you can look at that on athletesincannabis.com, athletesincannabis.com. That'll be live shortly, and you can look that up and see the 40 most influential athletes in the industry, right? We're talking about former basketball players, snowboarders, MMA, tennis stars, Hall of Famers like Joe Namath, and boxers like Mike Tyson, and that whole process. So we appreciate you. And we'll now turn it over to Rico